Today is day 4, where you're going to be doing an investigation using a Desmos activity, and this Desmos activity is only for Mrs. Cameron or Mr. Penderell, not Miss Whaley. So when you get onto this Desmos activity, it's really just an investigation to discover the discriminant, but I'm going to give you some information that will be helpful. So let's take a look at a few slides of this PowerPoint. What if I told you the discriminant was inside of the quadratic formula? Tomorrow, you're going to learn the quadratic formula, and the discriminant, this portion of the formula right here in red, is just part of the entire quadratic formula. In the quadratic formula, the expression b squared minus 4ac is called the discriminant of the associated equation ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So this red portion here, this is where you're going to locate the values. You're going to go to the standard form of a quadratic, and you're going to use b squared. So this is where you will find the b value and substitute it into this formula. This is where you'll find the a value, and this is where you will find the c value from the standard form of a quadratic. And then you'll simplify those numbers. You can use the discriminant of a quadratic equation to determine the equation's number and type of solutions. Using the discriminant of ax squared plus bx plus c equals 0. So when you calculate the value of the discriminant, if you calculate and simplify and get a value that's greater than 0, meaning you get a positive result, that means you have two real solutions. And what that looks like, when you graph the parabola, it will cross the x-axis in two locations. If when you simplify the discriminant you get a result of 0, that means you have one real solution. That means the parabola crosses the x-axis in one location, one x-intercept. Over here, it was two x-intercepts. When you simplify and get a value less than 0, meaning you get a negative number, you will have two imaginary solutions, and that will come in the form of a complex number. That means your parabola, when graphed, it will not cross or touch the x-axis. That means there is no x-intercept. So that's a helpful piece of information as you're going through that Desmos activity. Here is a link if you would like some more information about the discriminant. You can look up that video. It is a Khan Academy video.